What's up, guys? Welcome back to the ASAP Automotive channel. Today we're doing a little bit something different. We wanted to do kind of a little fun episode and introduce our official shop dog, Boudreaux. Boudreaux is our, we'd say, lab, maybe some pit mix, some shepherd in there. We don't know. He's kind of a mud love bug. We got him from the shelter. Actually a month before my wife and I got married, we had the bright idea, or I had the bright idea, I guess, to get a second dog. And so he's been with us ever since, and he is such a daddy's boy. So we, of course, it just made sense to make him our official shop dog. So you guys have probably seen him in some of the other episodes, and wandering around in and out, tripping over stuff, and tripping over him. It's quite possible. But like I said, he's a daddy's boy. He's got to be wherever I'm at. And so every morning near about, unless I take Roxanne to work, so no dogs in the bed. But he hops in the truck with me and comes to work. He's got his own bed here and everything, and he's actually got a job here. He greets customers and greets all the parts delivery people and everything. It's actually kind of funny. So I tell people, it's like when customers come in, or like the parts people come to deliver parts or something like that, they don't even care about me. They just ask, "Where's Boudreaux?" And heaven forbid if he's not here that day, they're like, "Oh, wherever." So it's like, "Oh, it's nice to see you guys too." So yeah, we're guessing. We're definitely lab, maybe some pit, because of the big head. There's not really much going on in that big head up there, but it's got a black tongue, like maybe some chow, which I guess that's become so common, it's not really such a chow thing anymore, but we think he's definitely some shepherd because of the way his hair is. And when he was a pup, he used to have these, like, the ears, he grew into his ears finally, but they were like so big, and the vet actually called him bat dog. And, but like I said, Boudreaux, my buddy's daddy's boy, and he's actually quite the survivor. So a little backstory on him. Like I said, my wife and I got him like literally a month before we got married a few years ago. He's going on 5 years now, and he's getting a lot of gray in his schmoof. Yeah, he's getting a little salt and pepper down. Oh no. My wife had been wanting a second dog, and I finally come around to the idea of it, and of course, perfect timing, I guess. And I always loved black labs and stuff like that. I had one before, and we're looking around at the shelter site, and I found him, and I told my wife, I was like, I want that one. And so we went that night, and right as they were closing, and they're like, well, it's kind of late, we're leaving. And I was like, but I have donations. So we're able to get him, and I'm glad I did, because long story short, the next day we found out he had puppy parvo. Couldn't figure out why he would shove nudge treats away, and he was real kind of docile. But so they gave us 3 options at that point, and he was only like a couple months old when we got him. And I know. He's all about some lovin's. And anyways, they gave us 3 different options and said pretty much option A, you can leave him here with us. It'll be a couple $1,000s, we'll put him on IV, give him the medication, all this stuff. And especially right before a wedding, there was just no way we could do that. And option B was, hey, we can give you the stuff, you can, pay for it and then take the stuff home. It's like a couple $100. And then or option C, do nothing at all. And I was like, there's no way we're gonna give this guy a fighting chance. We're just not gonna do nothing about it. So we went with option B, took the stuff home. Within 48 hours, he was a totally different dog. And any of you guys know about parvo, it's no man death sentence for pups, especially puppies, any dog really, but but totally different dog. He's wide open ever since, and we couldn't be happier. The vet was like, yeah, this is totally unheard of, and he's definitely a survivor. And yeah, he's been a total love bug ever since. And I don't know, it's just something about like rescues and stuff like that in mutts. They just know that they're rescued, and they're just that much more loving. But he absolutely loves his job. Like I said, he's greets everyone. How many times I look out in the UPS truck or FedEx truck and he's all up in it, just excited, tail wagging, or trying to get in anybody's car, because he thinks anytime a car door opens, he's ready to go. So we're trying to break him in that. But yeah, you guys will see a lot more of them. Of course, you see them all on Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that. We always do some kind of funny post with him. He's a never-ending source of entertainment. So, and he keeps me company because most of the time I'm here by myself right now. So, but yeah, anywhere we go, like even in the bank, he gets to go in there and he loves it, man. He gets treats all the time, and he'll do tricks for him and stuff. We get him to shake or high five or play dead and all that kind of fun stuff. So, but yeah, just wanted to kind of make break up the episodes, do a little something different, and officially introduce them. I know you guys a lot of you seen them, and we've talked about them on Facebook and all that. But yeah, you guys get to see a lot more of him because he's not going anywhere. Yeah, he's going to live forever, right? I don't know. But I guess we're gonna end it off there, guys. Thanks again for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll catch you in the next episode. And remember, until next time, stop is not an option. High five. No. No. Sit. High five. Nice, cool. You want to shake them? No. No. You want to shake? You want to shake? That's a good boy. Good boy. Up. Up. That's a good boy. Hey. Sit. Speak. Nice, good boy. Before you know it, bang! Bang! Hey, roll over. That's a good boy. 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 Yeah. What? What? I want to get you. 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 That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Sweet. What's going on? She's a happy. We're the rock star. Huh? Yeah.